Mack Hils Metal Fabrication and Machining is a full-service supplier of parts for original equipment manufacturers across multiple industries. The company was founded in 1973. Today, Mack Hils operates in multiple expansive facilities in central Missouri, specializing in design along with fabrication and powder coating. Mack Hils provides the parts and products their customers depend on with the superior quality and quick lead times they've come to expect. Our primary goal is the efficient delivery of the highest quality products at a competitive price to each of our customers. We initially evaluate your product requirement by completing a design and manufacturing applicability review, followed by computerized production planning and manufacturing process tracking, as well as complete, comprehensive process quality control. These steps ensure that customer demands are met with the highest quality products, delivered on time and with the best possible pricing. Our slogan isn't just 3 words on a banner. It's truly what we live by as we go about the design process, our daily work, and our customer service. We love to put our decades of experience, knowledge, and processes to work for you. Contact us today to discuss your product specifications or to request a quote. Mack Hils Metal Fabrication and Machining. Yes, we can.